She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I received my hair orders. I received 2 large packages of my inventory, and I finally had the time to just sit and go through it. So I decided that I'd just record and allow you guys to watch. So I am opening up my orders. I'm really excited for this restock because I have some new colors for you guys. I have some new blends for you guys, and I know that, you know, I have my website down and you guys have been wanting to see and wanting to know when it will be reopened. I didn't receive my package in time, and when I did receive it, it had to be taken to a UPS access point. So it did take me a little longer to actually receive my packages, and then I just didn't have time to go through it because whenever I receive my inventory, I like to go through everything to ensure that what I received was exactly what I had ordered, because there have been times where I placed an order with my vendor and received either the wrong color or the wrong amount, or something was switched or whatever, and I had to contact them to get like a credit for my next order, or you know, whatever they decided, however they decided to fix it. And so I do like to take the time to go through all of my orders and make sure that everything I received was accurate, so that I am not putting out incorrect information on my website as far as like the quantity and the colors, so that way when you guys place an order, you receive it within the you know, time that you're supposed to, you know, according to my website, so that way there's no issues. And so what I'm doing right now is just counting each color that I had ordered and making sure that it is the correct amount that I had ordered. You'll see a little later in my second package that I had ordered some extra bags. So before, what I was doing was just getting my hair, and I had, you guys, like, this business thing is a learning process, and very much still new. I'm still learning, I'm still new, I'm still, you know, figuring out all of this. When I started this, I was looking for some empty bags, some empty hair bags to repackage your orders, because as you know, I don't sell, majority of the hair is not just sold as is because they are blended, so I have to take it out of the package, blend it, and repackage it. Aside from like the solid colors that you guys will get, those are sold as is, so I don't have to do any repackaging. But my hair blends, which is what sells mostly, I do have to repackage. And so because I have to repackage, I really wanted to have like empty hair bags to repackage in, because what my vendor sends me has the color sticker on it, and it was just annoying having to remove the sticker off of it and place a new sticker on top of it, because it was sticky. The sticker wouldn't come off all the way. Sometimes the bag would rip. Just so many issues. So I wanted some empty bags, and I searched everywhere and I could not find empty bags. And I don't know why it didn't hit me sooner to just ask my vendor for some empty bags. And so when I finally thought of that, I reached out to my vendor and said, hey, do you guys have some empty bags for me? And so they were able to provide me with some empty bags. So I included I purchased some empty bags this time around, and this was the first time that I did this. So you'll see the bags it's in my second package, and I did count those bags as well because I have OCD. I like to make sure that everything is correct. Like, I'm the type of person, I will count my money out of the ATM. Yes. So you'll see me go through that. And I just ordered a few because as of right now, what I'm going to do is just place my stickers on top of my vendor sticker. That's just what I'm gonna do right now, for right now. Eventually I will place everything in the new bags. I just didn't order enough bags to be able to do that. So you guys just work with me right now. I mean, what you're looking for right now is just some good hair blends. So that's what I'm providing, and that's my focus right now. As I'm learning, I will get better with everything. So what you guys see me doing when I'm taking the hair is I'm actually putting it in my inventory closet, like storage thing. So I just moved to this house and it is absolutely perfect. Like, I cannot wait to do a house tour and show you guys how perfect this house was for myself and my kids and my business. So this house comes with, in the basement, I have like a office room, which is where I work, because I do have a corporate job. So it's where I work, but then I also have a separate room, this room that I'm currently in, which is my inventory room. And this is where I would have all of my hair. But not only do I have this room, I do also have a closet that has built-in shelves. That is huge. Like, it's not a walk-in closet, but it's big. And when I seen it, I was like, this is so perfect for me to be able to store all of my inventory, because before I was leaving my hair in the boxes, and when I would blend them, I would just place it back in the box because I just didn't have where I was before. I didn't have space. I didn't have, just everything that I needed. But this house came with everything. It was so perfect, and I'll show you guys that towards the end. So yeah, I'm taking all of this hair and I'm just putting it on my shelf. I have some old orders. Those other boxes that you guys see, they are filled with hair that I still have to go through. Some are blended, as you see, they're laying on the tops. Majority is not blended. And so I have to go through all of that and get all of these colors blended for you guys. I do have some new blends that will be dropping once I finally open my website. My website has been down for 2 months, as a lot of you guys know, because I had moved in August and then I had settled in September. And this month, October, I received my packages late, like I explained, and I just have not had time to go through everything and get the orders or get the hair blended. So I'm finally going to do that, and I'm working on getting my site open as soon as possible. I appreciate you guys being patient. I know a lot of you have reached out, and my goal was to have it open October 1st, and that didn't happen, but I'm gonna get it done. So these are the hair bags that I was telling you guys about. And so what I'm using these bags for right now is for any bags that were damaged. I will place the hair in here. Any bags that are ripped or anything like that, or like I told you guys in the previous video that if you guys wanted to order samples of the hair blends that I do on my YouTube channel, not the hair blends that's on my website, but samples of the hair blends that I do on my YouTube channel, if you guys wanted samples of that, then I would be able to give you guys a sample. It would probably just be one bundle of hair, or just whatever amount that I blended on the video. And you guys will get that, so that I'd be able to place it in these bags. So that's what these extra bags are for. But eventually I will order some more, so that when I'm blending and repackaging, I will just go ahead and put it in these bags and get it get new stickers on there. I cannot wait to get these blends out to you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my email list so that way you can be informed once I actually get my life together and get these orders on my site. If you guys have any questions though, be sure to leave it down in the comments below.
Saw your picture on my timeline.
So this color is the 613 hair color, and there's actually quite a lot because I use this color in a lot of my blends, so there is a lot. And then my camera had died and I didn't realize it, so you guys don't really see me taking out a lot of the other colors in this package, but like I said, I will show you guys where I had stored everything in the closet on the shelf, so you guys will still get to see some of those colors. So I finally got everything emptied out, and I'm just going to store these empty boxes here in this closet for now. And this is the other boxes that I still have to go through, and then over here on the other side, this is my closet. Look how nice that is. It's huge. It's huge. There is another shelf up at the very top. I don't know if I show it. Maybe I might, but there's another shelf at the very top for a whole nother row of braiding hair that can be stored on there. I'm excited to get this entire closet completely filled from top to bottom of hair blends to sell for you guys. I still have the rest of those packages that off to the left to put in the shelf once I go through everything, but I can't wait to get this up on my site for you guys. And thank you for watching. Be blessed, stay protected, and filled with love and peace.